Hello there, welcome to Math Jamboree. We have another math questions with us. Which of the following is equivalent to 2x plus 4 squared minus 8x squared? So you might find this kind of questions in the SAT test. So let's practice it together. To answer these questions, a plus b squared, the formula, you need to know that. Let's remember, read a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this specific question, 2x plus 4 squared need to be calculated. 2x for the a and the 4 stands for the b. So 2x squared, 2 squared is 4, x squared is just x squared, plus 2 times 2x times 4 plus 4 squared is 16. If you will calculate this, 4x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16x plus 16. But we need to not add, this time we will subtract. Negative 8x squared from here. So this 4x squared and 8x squared are, they have the like terms. They are the like terms. 4 minus 8 is negative 4x squared. Rest is just stays as it is, 16x plus 16. So if you will look at the choices, you would have negative 4x squared plus 16 plus 16x plus 16 is the choice B. So choice B is the right answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it below. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.